Ringphawon da aju khamata ya pauping Ajugumwi Duran Club Manipur nala host sakida leidalai Pro Rural na Manipur na Nagaland ni Prime Minister Wani Wi-Fi launch sahira Mixed Martial Arts Federation of India na Ringphawon hanli Tangkhul naw na mai khaya sampanghaira Lekhyang tor ajo da Tangkhul Express wi pau Ringphawon Zimik inapa midalai pauping maisai na nganang rumsa Asia we Chamai Cup kachili country the tournament Duran Cup ajugum Manipur na host sakida leidalai Duran Cup 131st edition hi Assam kala West Bengal ngurum da host saki kachina ngahan chiwi trophies kathum President's Cup Duran Cup kala Shimla Trophy aya Manipur Chief Minister Biren Singh na Imphali chithai haira Duran Cup hi Indian Armed Forces na mukhok mida Kumanambag main stadium le phai August tarik thrada chishod wiaina league matches hapogra Duran Cup ngahan le Tangkhul sada Chief Minister Biren Singh na tournament ji leshilak aina phaning unga 1981 kum BSF team we left wing back ngareo da Biren na cup khui sam ka phangli janga Indian Super League le Manipuri we aina khangareo naw chungmai cup changdalai kachila hangda state hina country thei luiramli phaikar khuida khlei manga khawali Chief Minister Biren ringapha phongsoka Eastern Command Chief of Staff Kala Duran Organizing Committee with Chairman Lieutenant General K.K. Repswala Rani Chilivazanga Duran Cup hi ara AFC Champions League wibang second qualifying cup sada officially recognized Sami Haira the Duran Organizing Committee with Chairman Lieutenant General K.K. Nahanga Sports Minister Govindas Gandhojam Chief Secretary Rajesh Kumar Army officials akho kaping kala country thei khangreo ming gachata trophy kachithei Rani Jili wazanga Manipur kala Nagaland ni Prime Minister Wani Wi-Fi launch sahairong Prime Minister Wani Wi-Fi kachihi Indian Sarkar Department of Telecom na khira khami program akhana China Silo Wi-Fi networks being connect samida Yarwina broadband kasing Ringphawon khawai kasana Bro Rural Coho Distributor Akana Pentacle Systems Private Limited Guwahati li ngashi khuilaga kasana Prime Minister Wani Wi-Fi System Northeast li Pentacle Systems Private Limited na facilitate sa kamina Ari Manipur aina Nagaland ni Pro Rural na Prime Minister Wani Wi-Fi we Super Distributor Sami da khlaina Katam now ping startups entrepreneurs ping internet darga kasa ping ne ngachon mi khawai kasana Prime Minister Wani Wi-Fi system hina atumi ot kasali tra khang chonra da hanga Pro Rural we minganing Petra na kahang program hiwiwang partners mathang matiaina leya Central Registry App Provider BDO Aggregator kala BDO kacha Public Data Office hiping hizanga Kalaji District Atishuda Distributors Khaita Luira da hanga Prime Minister Wani Wi-Fi hi ogachuli pai mai thui gachili sangra kaja hiwi teda jibia khali lupa awabu shikhamang ungtaya da launch kasale kazang Pro Rural wi minganing akhana hanga Kha Prime Minister Wani Wi-Fi hi amang shijin kapai maning mana Jiwiwang Internet Service Provider BSNL Airtel Jio kathana khami FTTH kakhui darga saya kaja china backbone connection ngasara wireless access point we aina Wi-Fi hotspot semkhui laga Prime Minister Wani Wi-Fi singkhui kapaina da hanga Mumbai 7-Eleven Club li Rungahai MMA FI International Kala National Contender Fight li Tangkhul naw na mai khaya samphang haira Them Chingam Kasarna Mixed Martial Arts Federation of India International Contender Fight le goal sampanghaira ngahan ji ajahon tarik mukda kuthumthang khurungna kala Kasarna 61 category li kazangna Jatong now Light Sun Kasarwi now Miyara Them Chingam Kasar village na gold medal sampangda Maya Rong Han Khung le Shimkur Ramnau long now na Rimphalak aina ngorokhui haira Kasar le Jatong katam now long Tangkhul Ajay Katamnaw Long, Tangkhul Naga Valley Sports Association, Kala Chatong Richumnaw Pingna, Moholak Aina Airport Li Ngorokwida, Ana Khui Sam Kapangwe, Ringapha Ningyang Khung Pongshok Haira. La Chatong Li Gushung Tharan Kasar Changna, Mokok Mida, Yari Gudong Kana, Ngorokwida Reception Raniela Rungmia. Rani Jili Tem Jingam Kasarna, Awi Shongza, Yari Lip Hejiteya, Kala Avava Lightson Kasarna la Ringapha Pongshaka. Our job Kasarna Vareli Ningashimia. Our Nganau Kui Kashum Nala Sokami Seha Samia. Yaumi Kasar Aina Ashang Kasarna Ringapha Pongshok Ainang Soda Kagazum Tui Hangsangaroka.
HIV IBC Lambi Mari Kuktada, Mio Yamadagi Madasindri.
HIV positive oiba mama mapadagi machada
sakhangdaba miyoi singa kondom yaudana yuman mari thamba matamda HIV sandoi
mi amaga yatum siren waiduna sizinabada HIV sandoi
ana layeng de ikap matamda HIV test to be ikap labadi HIV sandoi
Jang naina amadi niyom chumna kondom sizinabana HIV dagi ngakthopon
sexual transmitted infection STI
haibadi pinungi laina dagi sungak thopongami
aduga angang pamdrabadi kondom sizinabiyo
HIV haiba virus asina mipung khudimagto sokhali
masigi namkhai leite chahi laining kanglup natraga nupa nupi angang khaidi
masina mi amadagi amada mathang sandopangam
Aina Domu Sinari, HIV test on the Bagidama.
aina dombu singnari kondom sisna bagidam
aina dombu singnari nasabo HIV dai kanjanaba HIV AIDS ki maramda hena kupa moron khangnabagi damak
It's toll free number 1097 the phone to be.
English Hindi natraga Manipuri de wari saba yagani.
nako AIDS app su download tabiu amadi sisna view
Landslide Early Warning System 2025 Waina Hapokhara the Laidale. Northeastern Region Zang the Landslide Early Warning System LEWS He Lakewai including the Geological Survey of India GSI na Jiwi Research and Development Activities Kala Groundwork Hapokhara Chia. Maramji 12 Manipur Legislative Assembly Second Session with Zimik Kagatumthang Relief and Disaster Management Minister Awongbao New Maina House Le Kahangna Marangjing None District Le Ngalay Kamin Maramle Ngahan Kada Minister Awongbao na Kahang Kalasha Jili Mi Hang Pangada Jishat Tisang Kahaina Mushingji Kupthang Tarik Mugada Kutum Aina Tangda Tegukui Kahangna Ngalay Kamin Jiwaina Mi Trada Jishat Kanchok Kala Kutum Masam Pangla Lay the Lachia Forest Minister T.H. Biswajit Singh na House Li Kahang Manipur Reserve Forest Thumrada Shini Kala Protected Forest Mukada Kutum Lay the Lay 52.84 square kilometer Kahag Chaklaphai Chila Reserve Forest Sada Manipur State Tabor Resolution number 2 dated 12 December 1945 na declare Sarahai Kasana Indian Forest Act 1927 enact Masarang Lakhawi Tuina the Minister Chinahang House Kathana and Biren Singh na Kahang Manipuris Makhaning Pingle attack Kasa Swida Kawai Shorkarna steps Kui Gabai Kui Haira 2017 Waina 2022 Marang Tarik Magada Pangawe Alung Hile Non Manipuris Magkakadali Satad Haira Kuchi Hangda Jikataji Mushokawai State Shogana Preventive Measures Kui Haira Jia Chiling Sungda FIR cases Tarada Mati Register Sahirang accused Akale arrest Sada Judicial Custody Remand Sahira Jia Non Manipuris Pingle attack Sa Maramle District Police Pinglila Ngashur Kawai Chizami Haira the Hanga Non Manipuris Ot Kasa Pingle Atam Kuchida police personnel na yang sangkami non Manipuri Kapan Pamle police personnel Subloi Kasa surprise search kala verification drive kawa non locals apamle patrolling kazat higadatha hi hapokhara da hang bid system la implement sa the concern bid personal vulnerable areas le yang sangra da hang private individual na night shelter home masashok da le kuchi maramle MLK Ranjit Singna ngasan khawai hangsangda labor minister Hekom Dingo na kahang maramji judicial process li tadalai Imphal East li luipom wiwang terakangachap maramle agriculture minister TH Biswajit na kahang je yang sangkhawai line departments tanglaga district level committee semhairong chief minister and Biren Singh na the Manipur private security agencies regulation rules 2021 da session jili table sahairong Council of Higher Secondary Education Manipurna Rungkhami 2022 with improvement exam result shokhaira. Katam now thinka shajishat hangchuko the shinina improvement examination chithakuya. Chiwing a chile thinka shajishat hangmati the kutumna pass sahira. Pass percentage 97.15% na. Improvement examination chi achahon tarik makada khanitang sender thurugli thaya. Result ji kosem with Chairman Dr. Chingambam Sarat Singh, Secretary C.H. Biren Singh, Controller of Examination A. Sukumar Kala, Committee Members Bing Sangda Aya Kosem Office li Pongmia. Azadi ga Amrit Mahotsav we Akaya Kasada Senapati li Bijili Mahotsav aina Uchla Diwas Mayon Haira. Rani ji Ministries of Power and Ministries of New and Renewable Energy Kala MSP-DCL Manipurna Mukhok Mida Uchwala Bharat Uchwal Bhavishya we Azingli Multi-Purpose Hall Senapatili Kwikaya Deputy Commissioner Mahesh Chowdhury la Rani Jiliwazanga Senapati District with Power Supply Khawat Yangsangmi Khawai Wivang Power Department le Maya Khangai Phongshok the Power Supply Diverge Saki Kuchila Lay the Lay, Chiwivang Richum Now Pingchina, Line Department Le, Corporate Kasami Loda, DC China Poya. Senapati BJP District President ex ATC member TH Taiko Peterna, Kayawa Sada Kamutuli Yarina, Environment Nga Kawai Kala, May Ningachang Aina, Shijin Kawai Kasatsanga. Kazip Chile Power Supply with projects Matada. Singa Kahai Maramwe, Film the Tite, Kala Energy Mushman Kangasakwe, Kumhei May School na Sajiteya. Kung Ngate with beneficiaries Pingnala, testimonies Mingaroka. Rani Chile Senapati with ADM, Ministries of Power and Ministries of New and Renewable Energy with officials Ping, SDOs, DLOs, CSOs with chairman and secretaries Kala Katamnao Pingla Vazanga.
Hoziki matamda mipum khudimagna hainari stay home stay safe. Wahai se magun dilay. Adubu wahai da magun layragata yabasu natte. Oiba yai yumadu da magun layrabadi. Mamangay dadi yumse yum khakta oirami. Hozikti office, spa, salon, restaurant, supermarket, manamasingi kaitel. Angang singi school amadi football field punamak yum ngaktani. Hozikti yum danatana hairiba punamak sing sisu samely. Aduna yumbu yam sexina sabiyu. Make cement ga loinana. Make cement take laroidaba yum tatlaroidaba mari.
Padma Awards 2023 Wivang nominate Kasa Atam September P Kachangwi Tarik Thrada Phanga Ainatangda Midalay. September 15 Padma Awards hi Yarwi Padma Ngasang Sagrada Shokarna Hotnada Lay Kichi hi hang. Chiwivang Rijum Now Kuchivana nominations, recommendations Misanglo, Ijicha Kaladawi Amingla self nomination Sada Misang Payada Shokarna Nghotlay. Padma Awards 2023 Wivang nominations online and Sada Zinguma Republic Day Thang Award Ji Mishoki Kuchina. Wivang nominations recommendations Kasaji Rashtriya Puraskar Portal Awards.gov.in le Misangi Kuchina. Shinausan SCs and STs Ngazan Kamay Bing Wivang Doing a chai later clay, Temlak lak kahai, Yari Wivang Odram Matalak Aina Ngatuda, Yari Wimujud, Sampang Ranping, Pashok Pulungra Kajihi Hang, Maram Hi Ministry of Home Affairs with website mha.gov.in Kala, Padma Awards portal, padmaawards.gov.in Lila, Kupmaida Vayang Kuipaira. Otman Kaka Kala unemployment with Maramle Kanghan Kasawivang MPs Kai Khalid Tukui La suspend Sahira Kajihang the Congress Katana Rahul Gandhi na Prime Minister Modi le Makhamaya Pongshokhaira Gandhi na tweet Kashogli Kahang unemployment Aina inflation Maramle question Kasawivang MPs Hang Pangada Shinile arrest sa Kala Maguda Gutumli suspend Sahira the Modi hi Aunga Katha on Haira the Gandhi na Hanga Itumna Tepai Kankana Odyurle GST Kapur La Otman matai ka da khle maram le ngasan phlungra da Rajya Sabha MPs makana House proceedings kazatle Sheikhu Chon Hawa da atumle hapta ka wiwang suspend sa ka haina pau athishu da price rice color GST hike maram kathagwi alungde ngasan phlungra da Congress da kasawi wang parliament proceedings mazat pai thuwa da hanga latluchida achui khamata ya pauping achugumwe Duran Club Manipur nala host sakida leidalai pro rural na Manipur na Nagaland ni Prime Minister Wani Wi-Fi launch sahira Mixed Martial Arts Federation of India na Ringphawon hanli Tangkhul naw na mai khaya samphang haira Achu pau henang chang hairang pau ngana da klei nutum sai ko rele ringpha kala khama haya Zimik sho ngsa serana